Hi guys, short video here about the Amazon Basics 2-in-1 shaving cream. What I want to show you is how to use it with this Philips Norelco, something which a lot of people are using. How does it work? Is it really a good combination? By the way, I've never been using this Amazon Basics shaving cream. So here you can see that's the one, and yeah, it came actually as a 2 set as it looks. I haven't been aware of that. It says 2-in-1 shave cream, shave and condition 24 hours, moisture unscented. Sounds pretty tempting. How does it look inside? I think it comes with a seal. You can see that. We have to remove that first. How does it work? Pretty easy. Yeah, is it really unscented? I can't really feel something, little bit, but definitely not much. And so of course it's recommended to wet your skin. So that's what I'm doing here. I have no clue how much we have to take. I go with a little bit small amount, spread it out to both of the hands. It's no real foaming or so. It's not like a normal shaving gel which you take and then it produces a lot of foam. Yeah, I'm doing not everything here because I'm wearing still my shirt. I had a little bit of extra water. It reminds me to something which I've been using about 30 years ago. Has a very similar feeling. Maybe I have to use more, but let's see how this works. That's not bad. Also works really good down here because it has a really good gliding effect. That's the big thing here. A little bit difficult to shave in front of a camera. Really hard to see what I'm doing here. Okay, so I think I'm finished here, and regarding shaving it was absolutely awesome. So what I really liked here is how few I have to take. I didn't have to take much. So regarding gliding effect, that's the best thing I've ever seen so far. Also rinsing seems to be very easy, everything nice and clean now. Rinsing quickly my skin. I'm back here, let's towel dry that. See how it feels. I would say it looks pretty good. Everything came nicely off and it feels really nice, clean, refreshed, but still moisturized. Yeah, I would say pretty cool stuff here. Definitely nothing to complain, at least at the moment. Super happy with it. And of course, I'm not affiliated with this company. I mean, Amazon, as far as I know, doesn't sponsor influencers anyway. And if they would definitely do it with larger channels than me. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this shaving cream, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.